Hi everybody. Today I'm going to show you how to find the I2C address of an I2C device that's connected to the Quantum platform. You will need to find the I2C address of the connected I2C device in order to create the firmware file and upload it to the builder base. So let's get started. For this video, I'll be using an I2C LCD display, but there are a bunch of different I2C devices that you can use and connect to the Quantum platform. Once your I2C device is connected to a builder base and powered on, let's go over to our Q server and do the rest of the configurations there. From the home screen of your Q server, go over to the Clients tab, and then we're going to pair the builder base that's connected to that I2C device. Once your builder base is paired, let's do the quick setup. I'm going to name my builder base LCD, and I'm going to pick Studio since I'm in the studio, and then click Save. Now normally the next step would be for you to go over to the app or firmware builder. But before you do that, with an I2C device, we have to find the I2C address. In order to do that, stay on the Clients tab, go to that paired builder base, go to Actions, select Debug, and then here you can see it says I2C Scan, and then a button that says Scan. We're going to go ahead and click that. You can see that our address is 27, so to keep that in mind when you go to the firmware builder. Now we'll go over to the firmware builder. We're going to click Create New. I'm going to name this one LCD. I'm going to add the LCD hardware, and then I'm going to name it LCD. And then now when I select the driver, I'm going to select the I2C driver for this device. And you can see here it's now asking for the I2C address. And then remember it was 27, I'm going to type in 27. Just keep in mind that I2C devices have different addresses and you'll have to do this for every device. Now that I have the I2C address typed in, I'm going to click the layout. This displays a 2x16, so I'll select that one and then click Save. And now I'm going to upload this to my builder base. Now while the firmware file is uploading, I'm going to do a quick demo with this. So I'm going to go over to the app builder. I'm going to create an app. I'm going to name this one LCD. And then I'm going to find the LCD hardware object, pull that guy out. And then I'm going to also look for the input text interface object. Now I'm going to drag a string from the text port of the input text to the LCD hardware object, and then also to the string port on the LCD hardware object. Once that's done, I'm going to click Save. I'm going to return to my apps. And once my firmware file is finished uploading, I'm going to run it and show you guys how it works. Now that the firmware file is uploaded, I'm going to click Save and Run. So make sure you do the mapping process here. Click Save and Run. Now that it's running, I'm going to go over to the dashboard, go to that app, and I'm going to type in hello. And then when I do that, you should see that it says hello on the LCD display. And that's how you find the I2C address of an I2C device on the Quantum platform. Happy making!